How to remove payment method on OfferUp application. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the tutorial. First step is to download and install your OfferUp application on your device. Make sure to sign up or log into your account. Once you are logged in, now to remove your payment method, you have to go ahead and select the option of account. Depending on the version, it will be at the bottom of the screen or at the very top. Select the option of account. From all of the section on the transaction, you will see the option of payment and deposit method. Select the option of payment and deposit method. In here, you will find all of your added debit and credit card under payment methods. Now to remove a payment method, you have to select the option of manage, which will be at the side of your credit or debit card. Once you tap on manage, you will see the option of remove. Just go ahead and select the option of remove. It will ask for further instructions such as verification via your email or your phone number. Verify that is really you, then you'll be able to successfully remove your payment method. If you face any issue regarding the removal of your payment method, check out the help and support of OfferUp. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.